Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of all my barbecue pits. Guys, this is the newest addition to the family. This is a Lone Star Grillz 24-inch by 48 long pipe smoker. It's got a warming box up on top. This is a cooking machine, let me tell you. Guys, it's very important to have good equipment and know how to run it. You probably can't tell right now, but if I back up, I'm going to tell you this. There's actually smoke coming out of there. It's important that you have a clean blue smoke coming out of your pit. We're running about 250 degrees, and we'll let you see what's inside here. Pull this out just a little bit. Got a beautiful pork butt on here, some jalapeno poppers. Pit's running about 250 degrees. Guys, that's the first pit of many that we have here to cook on. I'm gonna take you a tour of all of them. Also, I'm gonna show you a little B-roll. I got some old footage. I got some pits loaned out. So I got an ugly drum smoker, my Blackstone griddle, my big reverse flow barbecue pit on a 24-foot gooseneck trailer. Gonna show you some of those from another video, but let's pan right a little bit and we'll see what else we got here on the patio. Next up is my Weber kettle. Guys, everybody needs a good kettle. This is a Weber Performer. It has a lot of miles on this pit, but it's a lot of fun to cook on. You can grill. You can do long smokes on it. Very versatile. Everybody needs a kettle. I've got two of them. We'll show you the other one in just a couple of minutes. Then further to the right, here's my Outlaw Smoker, guys. This is my pellet grill. These are made up in Boise, Idaho. Met the owner a few years ago, and he's a great guy. It's a great pit. We love cooking on this pellet smoker. Some people don't like them, but I tell you what, guys, if you don't want to stay up all night and nurse it, pellet grill's the way to go. Now guys, before we head over to my food trailer and show you the Pitmaker barbecue vaults over there, tell you a little bit about the ones that aren't here. I do have a ugly drum smoker. Take it to some cook-offs. A friend of mine actually borrowed it. Young man that I've done a little coaching for barbecue, and he has it right now, and it's at a cook-off this weekend. So he's using it. My Blackstone griddle is up at the school, so we'll be able to show you that on a clip. And then also, guys, what I cook on is I have a big reverse flow barbecue pit. It's got a 9-foot cook chamber on it, insulated firebox, sitting on a 24-foot gooseneck trailer. I got that footage in there now so y'all can see that pit. It's a cooking machine also. It'll hold 30 briskets at one time. I've actually crowded 34 into it, but hey, got to see some pictures of those. Now we're gonna go over and let you see the food trailer. Here we are at the barbecue trailer, guys. I have got two Pitmaker barbecue vaults on here. It's a 10-foot porch on the trailer, one on each side. These are cooking machines. Love them, charcoal driven with wood chunks. That's how we get our flavor in it, but great cooking machines. Now we're gonna walk over to the outdoor kitchen and let you see some of the items that we use over there. My outdoor kitchen is pretty much fire driven. I do have some gas cooking utensils in here, but this is my wood-fired pizza oven. Give you a little shot of it in action with the fire going in it. But we have a wood fire. Over this direction is my fireplace, which we cook in sometimes also. Here's the fireplace, guys. You can see we can cook on it. I got a grate that we can take in and out. But mainly, we just put this in there when it's nice and cool, so we have a nice environment out here. Next, it's the Santa Fe grill, so let's move over there. We're now over at the Santa Fe grill. Y'all can see this. It is fantastic. It will go up, or I can let it back down into the pit where we can cook in there, adjust the temperatures on it. But that's the Santa Fe grill. Then I got a few other pits in there too. We'll let you see. All right, we've got some more coming to you. Ugly drum smoker. Take this to the cook-offs, use it here at the house. I have a left-handed slow and sear kettle. It works really good. Love cooking on kettles. Everybody needs a good kettle. And then another one of my drum smokers is my Barrel House cooker. It works tremendous. Now we're gonna go to the other side of the outdoor kitchen and let you see what we cook on gas out here. Here we go. We're gonna talk about the gas part. I got a little 2-burner over here. We can saute on it, throw some beans on it, do what we want to when we're cooking out here. This is my Lion grill. It's got 4 burners with the infrared burner in the back for the rotisserie. I like using it. I know there's wood purists out there that think you can only cook with wood, but sometimes it's really nice to walk outside, turn on the grill, throw on a burger, throw on a steak, something like that. So this comes in very handy. We use this Lion grill quite often, and it is a very good cooker. So it just kind of finishes out and rounds out a lot of the different cookers that I use. Here's my fire pit, guys. We've got a grills in the bottom that we'll grill steaks on, do some different things, camp cooking. We take that with us when we go camping to cook on. But guys, here's where I do all my Dutch oven cooking. Do a lot of cast iron stuff out here. My can cooker, it goes over this campfire, but we do a lot of Dutch oven cooking, cowboy cooking here. Cowboy coffee, shoot a lot of videos with that. But we've cooked many a steak, burgers, cooked breakfast over a live fire here. Okay guys, last pit of the day. This old rock pit was here when we bought the property. I couldn't tell you how old it is, but hey, we've cooked many a steak and hamburger right here. Hot dogs for the kids in the grill area. Over to the right, we can put I can cook 4 briskets in there. We cook down our wood here, get the coals, move them over, put them underneath our meats there. This still would work in a pinch, guys. We haven't used it in quite a few years. I'd say 6, 7 years maybe. But anyways, if in a pinch, we didn't have enough other pits, we could load this up and do some cooking in it also. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed the tour of my barbecue pits. We do have plenty of them around here, and we can run a lot of different pits, a lot of different ways. So, hey, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed seeing all the barbecue pits I had to show you today.